Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today here we are at the Russell County Fair, dodging wild steers. They're just cowboys chasing them down. But what we're really here for is some side-by-side racing, guys. Of course. Horsepower right there, baby. Get you some horsepower. Anyways, we're up here. Jerry's going to do some racing. You think you're going to do any good, brother?
I think I'll hold my own, but obviously 35's four-seater ain't going to probably win it. But we'll see how it does.
Like a zoo up here. Like a zoo.
I think there's several vehicles here. They're pretty fast Can-Am, so I'd say it'll probably be able to pull it out today. We'll have some fun anyway.
Anyways, let's get after it. Let's see some action, boys. First up, we got the motorcycles racing. There's 8 racers and it's double elimination. As you can probably tell, this is a pretty short course, so taking off the starting line is very important. And as you can probably tell, these are some pretty young racers out here, but it's cool to see the young kids out here racing.
And they're off. Look at that little fella going down there. They're off. Look at him.
This one's close. Looks like the right lane got him.
They're off. They're off.
Man, what crazy finish.
Oh, looky here.
Guys, I'm telling you what, some of these races are close. Third place race.
Looky. Oh, he's trying.
This is the finals. Oh man, what a crazy start. Alright, next up we got 4 four-wheelers. Double elimination again. Reed McCoy, left lane. Right lane. Got him. This is the finals. Come on, Reed, you got this, brother. Alright, we'll have one more heads up between these two. Alright, Reed wins. This is it. Reed takes home first place in his Can-Am 1000 Renegade. And up next, we'll have the 1000 non-turbo side-by-sides. His new razor's fast.
Good job, Kate.
spot razors fast.
Little tires versus big tires.
What's that?
Left lane hasn't lost all day.
Alright, right now we're at the finals. We got a YXZ versus a new Razor 1000 XP. Let's see how they do. I had a feeling he was going to win. And up next, we'll have Turbo side by sides. Looks like Jared's racing the Can-Am.
Well, Jared's up. Racing the next three.
Man, that was a pretty close race. Let's take a look. Yep, the Can-Am beat him. Up next, we got Drew in a Turbo Razor versus Garrett in his Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. Garrett got him. Those guys seem pretty fast. Here comes Jared again. Man, that sucks for Jared. That's such a close race. Looks like we're going to have a redo there. That puts Drew out. Man, you talk about another close race. Looks like Garrett's out now. Man, I don't think you could get any closer of a race.
Just get aim before it
And another close race. I can't believe this. This is the finals. The yellow X3 Turbo R wins.
Well, how'd it go, brother?
Well, it was like predicted. There's a lot of fast Can-Am showed up, and they did work. I mean, I had two really close races. The first race, I raced the guy that won it, so he took one from me. It was neck and neck. The second race, I was sleeping on the tree a little bit. I thought he jumped me, but I think it might have been clean. So he beat me. He was real close to the finish line too on that one. I about went around him. 3 more feet, I probably went around him. So
It was close, man. It was good racing out there. Your machine was a little slow off the line today, which I didn't expect that. I expected you to be fast.
as my past as a drag racer, I'm used to seeing things move. Trees, lights, I'm not used to listening to them going. So the horn was kind of different for me, but it is fun, it's all fun. So glad we had a great turnout. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep some more content rolling for you guys.
All right, till next time, get out there and do some redneck, boys.
Keep it on all fours.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never